Who in the world hears me? Over. Over PEI.
5 and 5, Thunder Bay, Ontario. So I just switched over to the
okay, I got several in there. And,
Shigu speaker.
Got stepped on. PEI real loud, Oklahoma, Texas, Florida, and New York. Over. All right, Bruce. Well, enjoy the day, and you hit 10 over as you unkeyed. So well done. Enjoy your day. Okay. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful day, too. We just finished the Virginia 10-miler race, and the winner came in
so yeah, I just switched over to the Shigu speaker.
Well, is that a foot race or a bicycle race?
Okay.
That is a...
That's the internal.
Well, I don't think I've ever used both...
And that's my resonant speaker for CW.
Not only him, but the first place female came in very low too, and they're both from Texas. 73 pounds.
So that station was in Virginia. So noise picked up a little bit. Not sure why. Could be something nearby. So there's California.
I'm one of the moderators for the activity group. I'm located 100 miles southwest of Houston. Larry, got a big signal coming in here from southern Cal today.
Not sure who's going to hear me, but I got to give it a go.
Thanks for that, Larry. Have you ever checked in with our activity group before? Nope, I don't think so.
I know it's loud. But I didn't have this noise level earlier.
All we ask the guys to do is give their call sign twice and ask the question, who hears me? And the guys come back, give them a signal report and a location. Let you know where the propagation is going from southern Cal when we do that, I'll be here when you're ready for me. All right, yeah, we're going to get started officially here in about 5 minutes. We always give mobile.
So that's...
portables and QRP, and of course our new stations that join us.
So that's noise reduction on.
We do have a website. If you put a computer in the shop, look up hfqso.com. hfqso.com. Portable site in a county park not far from me and see how that works out as well, is it? That would be wonderful. We'd be glad to give you reports when you're out portable ones. That helps you fine-tune your operating practices, antennas, etc., etc.
So the band's dropping just a little bit from when I checked in earlier. But I was just upstairs, and I'm on the cobweb antenna, and actually my loop was hearing better than the cobweb. All right, I've got... So here in Oklahoma, we're here in Texas, but the band's dropped a little bit. I have the radio on upstairs. Just trying to turn the antenna to best suit. Dawn sounds good.
Here in southwest Oregon. Well, like I said yesterday, it's fall, and the colors are starting to turn, and fellas, enjoy the colors. But whatever you do, don't let you or your spouse pick those bright red ones. Those are poison oak. Stay away from them. They're beautiful, but stay away from them, fellas. And everybody's fueled up. Let the festivities begin. Tom? November 7, Gospel Zulu here in southwest Oregon. Well, like I said yesterday, it's fall, and the colors are starting to turn, and fellas, enjoy the colors. But whatever you do, don't let you or your spouse buy red ones. Those are poison oak. Stay away from them. They're beautiful, but stay away from them, fellas. And everybody's fueled up. Let the festivities begin. Tom? Thank you, Don. And good morning, good afternoon, whatever the case may be around the great world today. Let's ID real quick. We got some new stations. We got some portable stations and a bunch of good stations that checked in today. So let's ID K5 of EWZ.
Victor Echo 3, France, America, London, Thunder Bay, Ontario.
United on the East Coast, Prince Edward Island. Whiskey 3, Tango, Kilowatt Bravo, Pennsylvania. KC0, SYW, Wichita, Kansas. KC2, MGQ, Central New York. WJ8L, West Virginia. Mobile, South Dakota, what's your call? Yeah, who was the South Dakota Mobile?
All right, see what happens here, folks.
Can I wait to see if you're still on the air with us? Victor Echo 3, Foxtrot Alpha Lima is trying out a new Mag Loop. Fred, you're up, man.
All right, thank you very much, Tom and the group. The band is up and down, but so far I'm hearing Pennsylvania, Kansas, New York, PEI, New Hampshire, West Virginia, Texas, and Oklahoma. Hello, CQHF Activity Group, CQHF Activity Group. Victor Echo 3, Foxtrot Alpha Lima, running 8 watts to a Mag Loop antenna outside. Who is hearing me today? Over.
5-2 West Virginia. 5-3 Texas, over. You're 5-3 into central Pennsylvania. 2x2 Wichita, Kansas.
Wow.
5-4 New Hampshire, Fred.
Wow, I heard Old Don in Oregon in there as well, and a whole bunch of other stations, and of course the ones that I reported. So anywhere from a 5-2 to a 5-5 report. Thank you very much, guys. A Victor Echo 3, Foxtrot Alpha Lima QRP to a Mag Loop antenna. Back to you, Tom. Yeah. Well, there you go, guys. So we were heard Kansas, New York, New Hampshire, West Virginia, Texas, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania. So mostly the East Coast. You know, the east on down to the Panhandle, but super. Let's see what I heard upstairs now, I guess.
He was working.
Yeah, that was even heard in Texas.
3-1 West Virginia, Kevin.
About 3-2 in Baltimore, Maryland.
Yeah, I was heard in Maryland as well. That's the other one.
I think he's done.
All right.
Yeah, how'd you do, Kevin?
So here we are, folks. The Shigu X6200. I'm using the Shigu speaker and the OM0. Oh, sorry, my water. I stepped on my water. The OM0ET Mag Loop, and this thing tunes up so good. It tunes up fast and it tunes up flat on the bands.
Yeah, Kilo Delta 4, Delta Uniform Whiskey, still on for you're headed back for draft. Got a ways to go. You're still banging in 20 over. I'll make it.
Victor Echo 3, France, America, London, Thunder Bay, Ontario. Whiskey 3, Tango, Kilowatt Bravo, Pennsylvania. KC0SYW, Wichita Kids. KC2, MGQ, Central New York, PG, New Hampshire. WJL, West Virginia. Louisville, South Dakota, what's your call? Thank you very much, Tom and the group. The band is up and down, but so far I'm hearing Pennsylvania, Kansas, New York, PEI, New Hampshire, West Virginia, Texas, and Oklahoma. Hello, CQHF Activity Group. CQHF Activity Group. Victor Echo 3, Foxtrot Alpha Lima, running 8 watts to a Mag Loop antenna outside. Who is hearing me today? Over. Pennsylvania. 2-2, Wichita, Kansas. 5-4, New Hampshire, Fred. Wow, I heard Old Don in Oregon in there as well, and a whole bunch of other stations, and of course the ones that I reported. So anywhere from a 5-2 to a 5-5 report. Thank you very much, guys. A Victor Echo 3, Foxtrot Alpha Lima QRP to a Mag Loop antenna. Back to you, Tom. He's working. He was working. It's 3-1 West Virginia, Kevin.
About 3-2 in Baltimore.
I think he's done. Five and 555, Thunder Bay, Ontario.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please, thank you guys. Thank you. Everybody I heard, thank you guys. I appreciate that. Running a Terrier 1000 antenna that just makes a wonder hearing. That's awesome. I'm here myself, so. Okay, turn it away. I appreciate it. I'll be around for you. I'll take you forward to you.
5 over PEI.
Yeah, honestly, I think my mag loop is hearing a lot better. Outside. But at the same time, I don't have the noise level outside. I mean, I have some noise, but not like I have up here. That's the cobweb. That's the Wyndham. That's the end fed. Yeah, cobweb is still quieter. All right, folks, thanks for watching. So this is done on my phone upstairs at the shack while I was outside at the picnic table. It is 25 degrees centigrade outside right now. So my 8 watts with the mag loop, the OM0ET Mag Loop, is working fantastic. So take care, folks. 7-3. Stay safe. Watch out for the other person. The other person may not be watching out for you. In Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT. Fred, VE3FAL. Take care.